Okay, we are going to talk about at-home devices. These are at-home skin devices, and my number one tip is, are you already perfect with your skincare regimen? Because if you're not, adding something in that's going to make it more complicated isn't justified, and don't spend your money. Once you are doing a good job of washing your face every night, using the vitamin C or antioxidant treatment in the morning and a reparative treatment at night, you're good about your moisturizer, you're good about your sunscreen, then you get to have an at-home device. And there's lots of different ones to think about. There is light, like low-level light devices. There are electric current devices. There are wands. There are massage. And no one can use all of them. And I don't think you should use all of them. In the order of the ones I use the most, my favorites are the low-level light therapy devices. And I actually have three. I have the Omnilux and the Current Body. Those are actually very, very similar. And they both are 10-minute treatments that you're supposed to do every other day. The professional grade one is the Soluma, and this is a panel, and you do it for 30 minutes. Right up against your skin twice a week. The benefits of low-level light therapy is it creates energy for your skin, so your skin has more energy to do whatever you need it to do, be it build collagen, correct brown, heal, and there's actually some pretty good data behind it. So it is something I feel comfortable recommending. It's something I use regularly. It's something I tell my patients to use regularly. So my favorite at-home device is an LED red light device, and the treatment needs to be at least 10 minutes long, and you need to be able to get it right up on your skin. The 3-minute ones are not going to be as effective and can actually be irritating. And if it's a mask where you can't actually put it right on your skin, it's not going to work as well. So that's the light therapy. That's my favorite. Second device I use the most is a facial massage device. This is Joanna Czech's. And what this is good for is helping with lymphatic drainage and depuffing your skin. It is not going to make you be less puffy instantaneously, but it is going to make it so that puffiness leaves in 4 hours instead of in 24 hours. I love this one. I think it's just beautifully designed. There's lots of ones out there, but all the friction with some of them with rubbing hard makes it so it's really can be irritating to your skin. This one is very cooling. It's non-irritating. You can control the pressure. You can do it light. You can do it heavy. So this is my favorite, and this is the thing I use the next most common. Another option is the Thera Face, and this device does lots of things. The vast majority I don't use it for, but I do really like it for its massage capabilities, much more so than its light therapies. It also does do microcurrent, and I think the microcurrent device in here is quite good. There is data to show that massage helps with blood flow to the face, building collagen. So I do think there's a role for massage. Then moving from there, we have microcurrent, and there's the NuFace, there's the Zip. These are ones that actually require you to put serum on your face that conducts the electric current and causes tightening of the muscle. They lift your face, they help with the jowl. I find them hard to work into my daily practice because the gel oftentimes irritates my face. It takes time. It's something that I really only use for special occasions when I'm feeling jowly and I really want to lift and tighten my face. I also have not found any long-term data that microcurrent actually has more than a short-term benefit for the skin. Then coming into wands. I really rarely use wands. This is the Solar Wave wand, and it's very easy to use. It also provides red light. It has a little bit of movement in it. It has a little bit of current in it. Its biggest claim to fame is that it kills bacteria that could possibly help with acne, but it's such a low amount of light. It's not something that's going to be anywhere near as effective as the large LED lights we already talked about. So the wands are something that I think are less helpful. And again, So often you have to use them with their serum, and their serum can sometimes have ingredients that don't agree with me. One of the things I like about the Solar Wave is that you can actually use it with your own skincare product. So if you just like the concept of this, you can use it with my face cream and it will work just as well. And then you also have the benefit of a good product. And then lastly, the mechanical cleansers. I don't really find any use for them. I think you should clean your face with your fingers plus or minus a washcloth, and so often when you use something that's mechanical, you're just going to over irritate your skin. This does have vibration in it, which can help with blood flow, but the massage devices are just going to do so much more for your skin. So those are the at-home devices I have experience with, and the take-home message for you is don't use them until you have a perfect skincare regimen. Once you do, pick one, and the one that has the most data behind it is low-level light therapy with a 10-minute treatment or longer. See how that goes from you, and then go from there. I do think a good massage is going to help with your eyes, and the Thera Face also is going to just help with blood flow, and it just sometimes feels good for your face. But too many of these devices, particularly the mechanical devices, can be quite irritating, so do not overdo it. Let me know what you think. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe, and I look forward to hearing from you.